Hey everyone, it's Becca, and today we've got the September 2019 Creative Notions package. Alright, just in case you're wondering, I always put my glasses on top of my head because I need them for distance. So like if I'm watching TV or I'm doing something that is not directly right in front of my face, I need them. But when I'm working with something close up like this, I don't need them. So there you have it. And I think I'm probably getting old and need bifocals because I can't see as clear if I have my glasses on and I'm working with something up close. But that's why they're always on top of my head in my videos. There goes my puppy. Let's dive in. This month's drawstring bag is like a burlap material. That's really cool. Seriously, Vicky, I love the drawstring bag ideas. I feel like we should rename your subscription service to the Creative Notions drawstring bag. Maybe not. Okay, here's our sneak peek inside. Looks like lots of black and yellow and white. We're gonna set aside the fabric. Gotta open that last. And we've got lots of things in here. Okay. Here's our pamphlet for the September subscription package. It says, welcome to Creative Notions subscription. If you are new to us, we are glad you are here and have chosen to give us a try. We have a lot of great things to offer, including quilt shop quality fabrics and lots of extras. A new quilt dot each month will also be included in your package. For a chance to win a free month's package, show your package to your friends. And if they sign up, you will receive 1 month purchase price and a refund. Share on your social media and tag us with hashtag creativenotionsquiltshop and show us your finished projects featuring your package fabrics for a chance to win a pre-cut. The first thing in our box this month is a pattern from Stitchery Do. It's to make a 4" by 5.5" fabric case with a zipper. This pattern retails for $10. This little package contains lots of little extras. Let's dig inside and see what's in here. Obviously, the theme of the package this month is bees and honey. So we got 2 pieces of candy. These are Biddo honeys, and they're not gonna last the night because I'm gonna eat them. I love these. We have a container of thread gloss. It is bee gloss. It's made from 100% natural beeswax and 100% unrefined virgin coconut oil. There's 5 ounces in there, and it retails for $8.50. It says it smells like fresh honey and warm coconut. Who am I kidding? I can't smell anything. I'm always congested. We have our Zappy Dot this month, and it retails for $3.50. This is what our Zappy Dot looks like. See if I can get it to focus. It says bee on there. It's got a beehive and a bumblebee on it. If you don't know what a Zappy Dot is, it's a magnetic little kind of button that you can attach to anything metal. Last month we got one of those zipper pull type things that you put on a lanyard and allows you to kind of retract your badge away from your lanyard. And it's made out of metal, and you can replace your Zippy Dots each month when you get a new one because they're magnetic. We have a Bumblebee Bookmark, and this is just a freebie item. Mine is yellow, and it looks like this. It is made completely out of lace. It says, this lace bookmark was made just for you by Creative Notions. If your bookmark is yellow, enjoy a good book. If your bookmark is black, you have won something awesome from Creative Notions. Send us a picture of your bookmark, and we will send you a special surprise. Well, mine's yellow. I didn't win anything, but I appreciate the bookmark. The other freebie we have down inside of our box is a little test tube, and inside of it are 2 sticks of honey. These are honey sticks or honey straws. They were invented by a guy in Oregon looking for a way to sample his honey to potential customers in an economical way. From those humble beginnings, honey sticks have grown to become a product enjoyed on their own merit. So we have 2 honey sticks from Ogden, Utah, with their own specially flavored honey. I actually have never tried a honey stick. And I think putting them down in this test tube was really cool because you definitely don't want to get honey all over anything. So that's what a honey stick looks like. There's 2 of them in here. It's like a piece of, it's almost like a straw, and I'm guessing you snip an end and you can just drink the honey right out of the tube. Our fabric this month features 7 fat quarters, each retailed at $3 a piece, bringing the total retail value for our fat quarter bundle to $21. The fat quarter bundle features the Honey Run Line by Jill Finley from Stitchery Do for Riley Blake Fabrics, and this is that fabric bundle. Let's take a look at each fat quarter. The first one is a yellow honeycomb pattern. The second one is a gray print with kind of an argyle design on it and a bumblebee in the middle of each intersection. We have a non-directional white print with some honey hives or beehives and some bumblebees flying around. We have a piece of black with some white print on it that has some vines, flowers, and bees. Looks like there are queen bees in here because this one has a crown. We have a gingham type of print in yellow, and if you look really closely, you can see some flowers in some of those white boxes. We have another black with some florals on it, and it's got different shades of gray, white, and yellow. The last print is a gray print with some white leaves and some different shades of yellow flowers. Okay, so that is my package for September 2019. This box costs $35 and the retail value is over $43 for this month. It is a little bit lower than we've seen in the past. However, they have a note in their pamphlet that says one of the fabrics that they wanted to include in the fat quarter bundle was missing or unavailable at the very last minute. So instead of getting our typical 8 fat quarters, we only got 7. Even still, the retail value is still higher than the cost of the box. If this is a package that you would like to sign up for, you can check them out at creativenotionsquiltshop.com and let them know I sent you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next video.